Sometimes, when the system is just overcome with hardpan and biomat, it simply stops working altogether. You may see a murky pool of liquid on the surface of the ground above your tank or D-box. This is evidence that the drain field has failed. But hope is not lost. 90% of the time, the leach field can be rejuvenated. Begin by inspecting the D-box. If it's breaking apart and not working, replace it with a new one. Have the drain lines hydrojetted while suctioning the effluent from the D-box. Pump out the septic tank and the distribution box. Apply septic drainer evenly and directly into the drain lines from inside the D-box. 1 gallon for each lateral, followed by 1 gallon of water to push it down the drain. Use a 10-foot section of garden hose and a funnel. Pour 16 ounces of Bioseptic Boost into the tank or toilet. Perform regular maintenance to the system. Apply septic drainer and Bioseptic Boost regularly to keep your septic system running like new. Add 1 gallon of septic drainer every 3 to 6 months and 2.5 ounces of Bioseptic Boost every month. You can do this by simply pouring them into any toilet connected to your system. Proper system maintenance with septic drainer and Bioseptic Boost can keep your septic system operating the way it was meant to, and it has been shown to extend the life of a system indefinitely. Septic drainer. It really works.